So in the last video we have already calculated two more questions. Now in this video also I will be providing you two more examples to solve, and we will see on the board how we can do that. Okay, let's suppose that we have a question that we have to convert this decimal fractional digit into the octal equivalent. Okay, so how you will be doing it? 0.010 multiplied by 8, it will be equal to 0.080, and 0 will be the remainder on this side. Then 0 point, and this will be 64, and 0 will be the remainder. 0.640 multiplied by 8 is equal to 0, and 8 4s are 32, and 48 and 351. 5 will be the remainder. Next, 0.120 multiplied by 8 is equal to 0.960, 0 will be the remainder. Let's calculate it for one more place. 1960 into 8, it will be equal to 0. 8 6 are 48, and 4 76, 7 will be the remainder on the side. Okay, so for that value, that is 0.0, the answer is, we will write from upside down now, 0.00507 base. So this is the first question. Okay, now let's quickly take up one more question for this. See, in these kind of questions only calculation matters. Okay, so better to calculate it yourself, and do not seek the use of calculator for doing these kind of calculation, as this is a simple multiplication or the division kind of thing. If you are talking about the either for the whole numbers and also for the decimal or fractional numbers also. So better to practice these questions rather than using the calculator to solve the things. Okay, because in the question in the paper you will not be allowed to use computers or the calculators. So better to do it from your hand, and try to practice it. Once you will practice some of the questions, you will be confident about the calculations for these kind of questions. So let's take up one more example, that 0.210 base 10 is equal to octal. Okay, so now we have to convert it. Next, what will happen? 0.210 multiplied by 8 is equal to 1.6801 will be the remainder. Then 0.680 multiplied by 8 is equal to how much? 0. 8 8 is 64, and 6, and 8 6 is 48, and 6 54. 5. Then 0.440 multiplied by 8 is equal to how much? It will be 0, 8 to the 32, 8 to 30, 35. 3. Then 0.520 multiplied by 8 is equal to how much? 0, 8 to the 16, and 141, 4.160. 4 will be the remainder. Next, 0.160 multiplied by 8 is equal to 0, 8 6 are 48, and 4, 1.21 is the remainder. So what will be the output for this? 0.210 base 10 is equal to how much? We'll start from upside down, 0.15341 base 8. So this will be the solution for the provided question. Okay, so now in this video also we have covered up the examples for the fractional value, and the fractional values are converted from decimal to the octal equivalent of the number. Okay, so in the earlier classes we have first discussed about the whole numbers to convert from decimal to octal, and then today we have discussed about how we can convert the fractional part of decimal numbers in the octal conversion. So that's it for today.